we're going to show you today is the Wallboard Plastic Taping Tool. Very cost-effective way to install tapes with base compound on the joints, walls and ceilings. When it's full, it holds an additional 2.25 kilos. Depending on the adjustment screw, where you open the head, that'll depend on how much you get on the, how much mud goes on the tape. Simply open the lid, install the tape, very simple. Simply pour the mud into the machine, making sure it's not too thick. Reapply the lid. Pretty simple. Just like that. That's how easy it is to install the compound to the machine. Okay, now that we have the compound in the tool, simply lay it on the joint, get a start, get that in with your knife blade to prevent any creaking. And simply cut off the shelf. Right, here we go, wall's done, the ceilings are just as easy. As you've seen, it's very easy to control the machine with one hand, just bedding in the tape and running it through and securing the tape with the 6-inch blade. We'll get the ceiling joint in. Simply bed the tape in this one, coming down one hand, as you can see, very easy. Tear it off. And all we do then is the same as the walls, we bed the tape in, clear up the recess, make sure it's nice and clean. Starting from the centre, going to the end, so there's no build-up on the tape. And then we lay that little skin over the top, just to help to bed the tape in. And give us a beautiful joint ready for second coat with a 200mm box. Yeah, quite simple, as you can see, very easy to use, very cost-effective tool. You can allow the control of mud on the back of the tape through the adjustment feed knob on the front. Very easy to remove. One big thing is, when you're finished, make sure you clean the tool correctly. You look after the tool, it'll look after you.